Surrogacy is a reproductive arrangement between a woman, that is surrogate, and another woman that cannot conceive or carry a pregnancy. So a surrogate mother carries and delivers the baby for another woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. So it's like borrowing a womb for a woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. The baby is genetically yours, but the womb is borrowed with love. If you want to know more about surrogacy, keep following us. We will post all the queries about surrogacy.
Halor ke jingkiu dor ke petrol ba diesel Menteri Rang ba ke Jylla Conrad kongkal sangma ulang ba sarkar kan sebisar benia alo ke jingkiu dor ke petrol ba ke diesel ndrei kan 4 penhiar ke Khajna value added tax nambar bakala ban kata ke pelapisa bagi Kham penroi ke Jylla. Habakran gilat patai kubor ke arp nyau trek ujemang arajar arpun reu Menteri Rang ba ulu pencai ba ke jingkiu dor ku Umphniang ke dina ke dau ke thma ke bakata ke pertai berkawai. Ba ulu kentu gi pat ba meniteli hakum ke ne ke por ke ba Menteri Rang ba ulo kedauru ba kedor Umphniang Meghalaya kadang Kham Duna binujor bat kador pedeng jongkari. Ba sarkar kan pet ngor bahkan omdan ke jingburi ne le ba nyek Umphniang. Hakabaidai bat ka Khajna value added tax ulo pencai ba Khajna ke Jylla kalong ke Duna ladai nujor ba kiwei. Bat kum ke Jylla ke baret ke ba Kham Duna ke jingyok Khajna ke sarkar kedan kam ban bishar benia ba kadang bat kata ke jingut jingsep ban penyat ya ke Jylla.
And this is a global phenomena, and therefore it is impacting everyone. So therefore it's not something that is only isolated to Meghalaya, or for the matter of fact only to India. It is a phenomenon that's impacting the world at large, and many nations in fact had to go into even austerity in terms of rationalizing the quantity of fuel being given to individuals. We have not reached that point, and I don't expect, as I said, that we will reach. But of course, uncertainty looms ahead for us, so we have to be careful. And I think that's what Honorable Prime Minister's larger message is, that it's not the time that we need to panic, but we definitely need to see what we can do because of the uncertainty that is there. What we can do as individuals to prepare for the uncertainty that's there in front of us. So I think that's the larger picture. So it's a difficult time. We urge, of course, our citizens also that we must all be together. We must stand together. These are difficult times that the globe and the world is facing at large. From our side, as you're aware, that the overall prices are very much below the average at the national level. But wherever possible, we will try our best to see that there is no shortage. We will ensure that there is no kind of hoarding or stocking that takes place that could lead to any kind of rise in prices. But yes, as I said, this is a reality, and we need to adjust to it, and we need to prepare for uncertainty. But we do hope that we'll be able to see positive outcomes at the international level, though completely out of our control. But we hope that things will normalize soon. But in the meantime, I think everybody has to just prepare through these uncertain times. Yeah, every state can do it. We are already low compared to others. But as I said, it affects our revenues also. So then we also have our own expenditures to look at. And unlike other states in the country, smaller states like ours have got lesser sources of revenue, and therefore it's a very difficult call for us. We need to see the impact that it will have on our own state's resources and the resources we require to run. So therefore, all these factors need to be looked into.